am the mighty king of the jungle. No one can stop me. Not a big animal or even a small animal like you, said the lion in a loud voice. I'm now thinking of making my dinner. Ha ha ha, said the lion repeatedly to the little mouse. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The animal and all up. My name is Mazaya from SDIT Al Furqon, Palembang. Today I will talk to you about the lion and the mouse. Once upon a time, in a dark forest, lived a mighty strong lion. Respect. All of the animals were afraid of him. One day, a little mouse was playing around. He ran over here, he ran over there, and accidentally he woke up the giant lion. Oh, how dare you disturb my sleep, said the lion. The angry lion immediately gets the mouse to his hand. Said the frightened little mouse. Sorry, sir. You think I just forgive you like that? I am the mighty king of the jungle. No one can stop me. Not a big animal or even a small animal like you, said the lion in a loud voice. I'm now thinking of making you my dinner. Ha ha ha, said the lion repeatedly to the little mouse. Please, sir, please forgive me. I didn't mean to. I will help you in the future when you need help. After all, my body is so small, it won't fill you up, said the mouse who wanted to convince the lion. You want to help me? How could you just look at the size of your body? But fine, I'll let you go with the mouse. A few days later, after the incident, the lion was trapped into a hunter's net. They tried to get out of there, but the net pulled tighter. Then the lion began to roar in anger. Then he roared in fear. Ah! Help me! said the lion. He roared many animals, but not dared to free the lion. It had the mouse. The mouse jumped into the lion's side and chewed away the net. Before long, the lion was free. Thank you, little mouse, said the lion. You're my big friend, replied the mouse. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the moral lesson of the story is, if we give kindness to others, they will do the same. I think that's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.